Hello, my dear students. This is Priyanka, Assistant Professor of Chemistry Department from Sakti College of Arts and Science for Women, Uttanchataram. Today, we are going to discuss about the topic on instrumentation of UV visible spectroscopy. What is spectroscopy? Spectroscopy is a branch of science and it deals with interaction of electromagnetic radiation with matter. And the spectrometer is an instrument. It's designed to measure the spectrum of a compound. So the total UV visible region is 200 to 800 nanometers. In this region, 200 to 400 nanometers is the UV region and 400 to 800 nanometers is the visible region. Next, what are the components are present in the spectrophotometer? There are 5 components. First one is source, second one is selector or dispersing device, third one is sample compartment, fourth one is detector, and the final one is recorder. This is the instrumentation setup of UV visible spectrophotometer. First, the source is passed into the entrance slit. The dispersion device split the source into the two beams. The two beams are passed into the sample and the reference solution. Now the beams are received by the detector. The detector converting the beam into the current. The current is transferred to the amplifier. Now the amplifier converting the current into the spectrum. Next, the light source. There are two types of light source are used as the UV visible spectroscopy. First one is tungsten filament lamp, another one is hydrogen deuterium lamp. The tungsten filament lamp is a good light source because they cover whole UV region and they reach in red radiation and also they emit the radiation of 375 nanometer, but the hydrogen deuterium lamp falls below 375 nanometer. Next one is monogrammeter. Monogrammeter is nothing but it is a composed form of prism and slits. So most of the spectrophotometers are double film spectrophotometer. So the radiation emitted from the primary source is dispersed with the help of rotating prism. Next one is sample and the reference cells. These cells are made up of silica or quartz because quartz cannot be absorb the UV region. So both the sample and reference solutions are contained in the cells. Next one is detector. In the spectroscopy, two photocells are used as the detector because one of the photocell receive the beam from sample cell, another photocells receive the beam from reference cells. We compared the intensity of radiation from reference and sample cells, but the reference cell is stronger than sample cells. Now the result is generation of pulsating or alternating current in the photocells. Then amplifier. Amplifier is nothing but its main purpose is amplify the signals many times because we get the clear and recordable signals. So amplifier is coupled with a small servometer. Next one is recording device. Most of the time amplifier is coupled to a pen recorder. It is connected to the computer. So the computer stores all data and generated and produce the spectrum of a desired compound. Now we get the spectrum of a compound. This is the instrumentation setup of UV visible spectroscopy. Thank you.